In this video, I am going to explain how to configure Arduino IO pin as input and how to read the digital levels coming from external world such as digital sensors, switches or from the comparator output. Here I am going to use some switches to explain how to configure the input and how to read the logic levels, and based on that logic levels we can decide what action the Arduino needs to be performed. For that you need to be aware about two functions. Pin mode function, which is used for setting the direction of the pin. Here it should be set as input. Second one, digital read function. This function is used to read the voltage level or logic level at the pin. For connecting switch at the Arduino pin, you can use either of these two circuits. In the first circuit, you can see the resistor is connected to ground and the switch is connected at the 5V side. In the second circuit, the resistor is connected at the 5V side and switch is connected at the ground. So in the first configuration, you will get a logic 0 level by default, and in the second configuration you will get a logic high by default. Now we can start writing Arduino code. Here you can see I have defined second pin as button and ninth pin as LED. First we need to set the button pin as input and the LED pin as output. After setting the direction, you can check the status of the pin by using digital read function. If the status of the pin is high, then the LED is going to be on, otherwise LED is going to be off. This is the first configuration with pull down resistor. If you press the switch, the LED will glow, otherwise LED will be off by default. Here you can see I have used the same code for the second configuration with pull up resistor. So by default the pin status will be high, and if you press the switch, then the pin status will change to low and the LED will be turned off. You can also enable internal pull up resistor by using software. If you enable internal pull up resistor, then you can eliminate the external one. Internal pull up resistor value is between 20 to 50 kilo ohm for Atmega 328P, which is used in Arduino UNO. In order to enable internal pull up resistor, you need to write a digital high at the pin along with pin mode function. If you enable internal pull up resistor, then you can eliminate the external one. So only switch is required at the ground side. Now you can see here I have enabled internal pull up, and the loop, if you press the button, LED will light up, otherwise LED will be in the off state. From this basic concept, you can write your code for your application. Now I want my Arduino to perform some action based on switch status. So I am going to use 4 position dip switch. So I am going to control 4 LEDs with the 4 position dip switch. Also you can see how I am going to control a motor, a light bulb and some LEDs. Thanks for watching my video.